think you can hear him?
Waffle snoring.
I wonder where Dolman is. It's funny how he kept trying to snuggle with you.
Yeah.
Rubbing his head on your head. That was weird.
It's almost 3 in the morning. Oh.
I wouldn't be surprised if we're up to like 4 or 5.
Oh gosh.
Yeah, it's the first sleepover, so.
Yeah. I think I'm going to be putting my intro on this video, because I don't feel like editing it, and also it's going to ruin the quality a little bit.
Yeah, you might have to do them on everyone, so. I should wake him up.
Oh gosh.
Jeez.
Oh.
Oh. Hi. Oh. Okay.
Well.
Okay then.
Okay. Is it sleeping, or is it trying to?
Try to.
Oh.
Hey, Waffle.
That's Seth's blanket and her juice box.
Oh God.
And Paul.
Paul, yeah, we watched Paul.
Another funny movie.
You kept swearing in the movie.
Oh, that was just a character. That wasn't me.
I know.
Who is Kevin again in the movie?
Who's that weird guy? I think I don't know.
Wasn't it like the guy I don't want to say it on camera, but that's it was on the other side.
Oh.
It was on
The other guy that went with him, I think. I don't know.
We said that was him, and then on the other side we also said that guy was him.
Yeah, first. But first was the guy with the sandwich.
Yeah.
Look at the sandwich. What about my cereal?
My shoes.
Oh, nice.
They're green.
They're yellow. No.
What?
I don't know.
They're yellowing. Oh, kitty. Okay.